Hi, this is Abe, and in this video I'll be showing you how to install Oracle Database Express Edition 11G Release 2 on a Windows 7 64-bit system. I've already downloaded the install files. It's a zip file right here, and so you'll need to do that. Go ahead and open up a browser and type in OTN in the search box, and we're looking for the Oracle Technology Network link. Click on that. Now I've already logged in. If you have an account, that's great. If you don't, you'll need to create one to be able to download anything from the site. So once you do that and you're able to get back to this point, hover over the downloads link here, and on the left you'll see Oracle Database 11G Express Edition. Click on that. You'll get a once you're at this screen, you want to accept the license agreement to be able to download the files. So we're looking for the first one here. Click on this link here, and that will start the download. Again, I've already downloaded the files here, so once the download is complete for you, go ahead and right click on the zip file and you want to extract all. I'll leave the destination folder as the same area here and click on extract. Okay, so once the unzip or extract is complete, I get this folder here. Click on that, click on disk 1, right click on setup, and you want to run as administrator. Now you might get a user access control screen or prompt. You want to click yes to that for the install to start, or for the application to start the install. Okay, once you get to this screen here, you want to click next, accept the license agreement, and click next. We're going to leave the destination folder as the default, which is C Oracle XE, and then click next. Now for this, you have to set a password for both the sys and system database accounts. You will need this password later when you need to log into the database or access the database with these accounts. So whatever password you enter here, you make sure you can remember it. So once you do that, you want to click next. Here's the installation settings. Most of the stuff is default as far as the port number, listener port number. You want to click next or install here, and this will complete the installation. So we'll give it a few minutes here. Okay, and we're almost done. This last part here, configuring database, takes probably the most amount of time, but we're almost there. Okay, so that part's complete. You want to click on finish, and there you have it. So you'll notice on my desktop here, it added this icon here, as well as under the start menu. If you go to all programs, it should add something like this, Oracle Database 11G Express Edition. If you click on that, it'll give you some tasks you can do as far as backing up database, restoring the database. It also installs the SQL Plus, a command line utility, as part of this install. So if you run that, you'll be able to connect now if you remember, I'm trying to that password we created earlier, so this is where it's needed. So now I'm connected with the sys account as sysdba and using that password that we created earlier. You can do a lot of things through the command line here. I won't get into that. Now if you try to launch this here for the Application Express, you might get something like this. Now if you do that and you get this, you'll have to change. Basically, it doesn't know what. I think it doesn't know what this HTTP port is. So we'll find location. Right click on that. Click on Properties, and we'll change everything here between the percent sign. So delete everything between the percent signs, including the percent signs. And you want to do 8080 for the port number. And click on apply, click OK. We'll close that. Press OK to that. Click OK. Click continue. Now if you click on it again, it should open up the Application Express browser. And there it is. So again, by default, it actually starts once the install is complete, it starts the database, so you don't have to worry about starting it and doing all that stuff. Now through this screen, you'll be able to, as far as play around with the create an application and so on. You won't be able to do much as far as administering the database. If you want to do that, I'll be uploading another video on how to install SQL Developer for Windows, which will basically allow you to administer the database as far as adding users, deleting users, tables and schemas and all that stuff using a GUI application. Hope you liked the video, and see you later.